Hi everyone, today we're going to make pepper cutlets. Now this is a delicious recipe on its own, or it can be used as a meatless substitute for breaded chicken cutlet or veal Milanese. Now as you know, I am the author of the Flexitarian Cookbook for Beginners, and although this recipe is not included in this cookbook, it very well could be. So if you think about making dinner for your family, maybe some people are meatless and some people are not. And there's a little assembly line that happens when we're breading a chicken cutlet. So you could very easily toss in a pepper or two while you're doing this assembly line and it wouldn't take you any extra effort. So it's a really nice way to get dinner on the table. Now I'm gonna serve these today with a side of spaghetti, but they would also make a really good sandwich on their own. So come on, let me show you how we're gonna do it. This recipe works really well with poblano peppers because of the way they're shaped. I love the way they taste too. But we're also gonna try it today with an elongated red pepper because I love the way red peppers taste, and I think a lot of people do. The first thing we need to do is parboil the peppers so they get a little soft. We've cut them in half lengthwise and took the seeds out. On the poblanos, I left the stems on one side. This will just take a few minutes. We want to get them a little bit soft, so when we prep them for the oven, it's a little easier, and then they cook easier in the oven as well. And we're just going to allow these a few minutes to cool so we can handle them easier. So here we've set up an assembly line with flour, egg mixed with a little milk, breadcrumbs that we made by hand, and a baking sheet with parchment and a little bit of olive oil. We're going to bread these pepper cutlets the same way that we would if we were making chicken or veal. Here we have all of our pepper cutlets breaded. They're going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and we're going to flip them over halfway. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Wasn't it easy? I mean, think about the many things that you could bread in the same way. So you can make a pepper cutlet, or you can make fish, or you can make chicken, or you can make veal, or you can make pork. There are many options available if you want to be flexitarian with not that much extra effort. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.